how to apply for a virtual PayPal credit card. First, you want to sign into your account, PayPal account. Then we're going to go to Google and search for apply PayPal credit card. The link you need to select is going to be this first one that pops up on Google, PayPal credit card. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to sign into your account anyway, so that's why I showed you how to sign in previously. Now, get a decision within seconds. You want to click on apply now. And if you click on that option and your account is eligible, then you will see an option where you have to confirm the credit card, so the recipient of the credit card. So currently my account is not eligible for a credit card, so that's why I get this error. We can't offer you this credit account now. But if you have the option, if your account is eligible, then you will go through the prompts here. You will apply for the card and you should receive it very soon. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.